Hello, everybody. Welcome back. It's Wendy and Ian here from Cloud 2020. Thanks for joining us again. So we're going to do a very brief run around sequences in Dynamics 365 Sales. That's a fairly new tool and functionality within Dynamics 365 Sales. I know you're a fan, Ian.
Oh, massive.
You are a fan. Love the
Yeah, no, I
shiny.
love it. I love it. I think because I'm the world's worst at following up on a sales process. So, I have a great call with a customer, close the call down, go make a cup of tea, come back, I've forgotten what I had to do next. It's just classic, right? But with sequences, so trying to describe this verbally is interesting, but you may have a sequence that says, when I get a lead from this source, the next thing I want to do is send out a templated email, wait a day, see if they've answered it. If they haven't, send them out a different email, wait another day. If not, then pick the phone up. Or if they did, pick the phone up, have the conversation. This is the information I want to get out of that conversation. And if I get to that point, where do I go next, etc., etc., etc. Okay. And you can build those. What you can do in Dynamics is build those trees very simply in a graphical format, and it includes some LinkedIn functionality as well, which is really powerful. And you can create that, and you can create that sequence for a particular lead opportunity or product line or business type or whatever, customer type. And then when a lead comes in, you can either have it automatically assigned or you can manually assign it to that sequence. After that, in the Sales Accelerator tab, you get a list of all those actions that coming your way. And you literally start at the top and crack down. And as you select the item, it opens up the record for you of the lead or the opportunity, and you can see all the information you need, update it, and so on. So particularly if you've got a dedicated sales team, it is really, really powerful. And it's not complicated to set up either.
It sounds a little bit like a bit of marketing automation, but actually as part of your sales process. And I've always thought that those two things are not that separate. And really, we want to see bringing together of the marketing functions alongside the sales functions, because I think that's one of the things we've seen over the last 4 years, that sales is nothing without marketing, and marketing is almost the new sales, but this is part of the functionality that you really need to help you with that process. So easy, as you said, have a great call, get distracted, and you're not the only one that happens to have to say, get distracted and then forget to follow up because something else more pressing has come up. So I think it's particularly if you're multitasking as well in a smaller business, it's a real lifesaver to have that process running in the background. Also, sometimes you might want to go on leave, Ian, and you might want to assign some tasks to somebody else to look after your leads and opportunities that are coming in the background there.
Indeed. This is probably not the time because I'll go off on another exciting tour. I want to talk about how Copilot works in recorded phone calls.
Wow.
But let's spike that and come back to it.
Okay, watch this space. We'll be back with more about that. But thanks for joining us today. And there will be some details at the end of this short video to enable you to get in contact with us if there's anything of interest that you've heard today.